Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to update your software on your iOS 26.5. So I'm provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. Simply at first open your settings, go to general and showing it to software update. Press on to update now. Enter passcode. Okay, alright. And press on install now. And just unlock. Press on to continue. Press on get start. And now finally update this. Now I'm checking general software update. As you can see, now successfully update my iOS 26.5. That's it.